You don't need a massive team or years of experience anymore to create a profitable business. In 2025, one of the biggest shifts happening in businesses is customer relationship. And before you even know it, businesses are leveraging voice AI to handle all of their customer relationships. So what if I told you you personally could create an AI agency which all your AI employees could handle your customer relationships, appointment booking, follow-ups, 24/7 customer support without hiring even a single person? So in today's video, we're going to explore why voice AI is the biggest opportunity right now and how you can capitalize on it before it gets too late and crowded. So if you're interested, let's dive into the video. All right, so in this video, I've broken it into 7 different sections and topics, which at the end, you're gonna know how you can benefit from this market. What is basically the value of this whole market? So what is the section 1? I'm gonna say, I'm gonna explain to you guys what is basically voice AI. So voice AI is the evolution of automations, like AI that talks just like a human, just like me, holds conversation, books appointment, and even follow-ups on your leads. So basically, it could be like your sales team, but on like a mutated level, which could work 24/7 without like coffee breaks, or even you could call it like with coffee breaks, but unlimited version. So anyways, unlike old IVRs, which get your clients to click on a number so they can proceed through the IVR system, this is totally different. Modern voice AI understands natural languages, pauses, emotions, and tones. So these AIs can answer inbound calls, make outbound calls, and also sync with CRMs and calendars, and also your business pipelines. So basically, this is a really simple thing that happens. It's going to get synced with your system. It's going to get integrated with your CRM, your calendar, and whatever tool that you have. It's going to understand a natural language voice AI that interprets human speech nuances. And basically, it's going to answer your inbound calls. It can also make outbound calls for your business, even cold calls, or basically whatever you like. So for example, you could just, let's say you run a dental clinic and your dental office gets like 50 calls a day. So it's basically going to be like a really simple receptionist that handles all of those calls without having an actual human receptionist. And it's basically going to reschedule appointments, book appointments, or anything that you can't think of. So in results, you're not going to have any missed calls, which equal to missed leads. So that's not going to happen here. So in section 2 of the video, I'm going to explain to you the problem, or basically the pain point of the businesses which are not using voice AI, and how then I'm going to tell you how it's going to benefit those businesses which are using and leveraging voice AI. So basically, human staff limitations are limited to basically high amounts of salary per month, low amounts of calls per day, and also they're obviously humans, so they're going to have coffee breaks. They're going to have basically sickness times. They're going to have training costs, turnovers, and anything like that. So in total, I've created a demo chart here, which you could basically see it yourself. I've compared human agents to AI agents. So in terms of availability, human agents are limited to shifts, but AI agent is going to be handling your business 24/7. It has a salary which is going to go skyrocket if you like, I don't know, basically hire some really expert level salesman or saleswoman, but the AI agent is going to have a basic subscription cost, and it's going to be way cheaper for you. And also, last but not least, the capacity of a human agent is going to be limited to calls per day, but your AI agent could handle plus 1,000 calls per day, and it's up to you totally. So now you can compare it to a single, AI agent. It's going to operate 24/7 with no salary, just a subscription month, let's say like $300 per month, and it's going to handle more than 1,000 calls per day without dropping the quality. Keep that also in mind. So there is like 80 to 85% cost reduction with better consistency and zero human resources issues. So the key takeaway here is that businesses don't buy AI because it's cool. It's not going to like say, I'm going to buy AI and my business is going to look futuristic, or none of that shit. So basically, the thing is that they buy it because it solves real pain points: cost, time, and reliability. So moving up to the next part that I've written down here is the market opportunity. So voice AI is basically projected to grow with 100 to 150 increase, 100%, 150% increase every year. And as you can see, I've also gathered you some research from the internet, which some of the biggest actually market leaders are predicting the value of this like voice AI market up to like, for example, the Fortune Business Insight have valued the voice AI market up to $81.5 billion by 2032, like less than 8 years later. So basically, that's going to be your understanding of how this market is going to be valued in the next couple of years or even pretty sooner. And that's why it matters if you jump in early. So why early adopters are going to win? It's going to cost really low client acquisition, and it's going to be unsaturated at the time that you're talking. But once the AI becomes mainstream, ad costs is going to go skyrocket. But those who already have systems and case studies are going to dominate the market. So at section 4, we have also brought you some real world results and use cases of how voice AI could actually be leveraged in your business. So let's say you have a local service like HVAC or roofing or anything like that. So you can automate appointments, reminders, and reschedules, saving money on the basically results of that. So let's say you also have an e-commerce, you're a drop shipper, you do anything like on Shopify or anything like that. So your order management, queries, and upsells, reducing support workload is going to be the result of all of those. So even you could also set up for yourself just a simple voice AI for support on your store. Let's say you run in the real estate industry, you could qualify your leads and schedule viewings and send them reminders. And in return, you're going to again get your time managed easily, and also you're obviously going to have more time to put in the effort on the real leads and the qualified ones, obviously. And also, let's say you are in the education industry, you can enroll students, handle inquiries, and also convert leads really quickly. So that's basically about some of the possible services that you could obviously work in. I've also prepared some extra detail here. You could also read this yourself. I'm going to attach this document in the link of this video in the description so you can download it yourself and see what's going on here. At section 5, I've explained why voice AI is exploding in 2025. So basically, OpenAI 11 Labs and other voice synthesis tools have made AI voices like 99% human sounding. You've probably heard voice AI before this video. It's not a coincidence that you have clicked on this video. So you have probably seen like human level voice AIs before this video. So no need to explain that. And also, here's the other thing. APIs can now integrate with CRMs, calendars, and SMS apps. So it's not like going to be just a simple conversational AI, which is just going to be talking to you for fun or anything like that. It's going to actually do functional tools and execute literally any kind of action that a human agent could handle, like booking appointments, rescheduling appointments, sending SMS, sending any kind of link, or basically whatever you could think of. And also, the thing is that cloud calling has reduced call costs by over 60%. And keep that in mind, which is going to reduce your basically costs. So in short, tech is ready, businesses are aware, and also the market is underserved. And this is literally the whole thing on the table, ready for you to just jump in and get everything used, and that's it. So that's the perfect storm for anyone starting an AI automation or appointment setting agency right now. And at section 6, I have explained the software CloserX.ai, which we are doing right now, and how this software fits in. So you don't basically need to build the tech from scratch. CloserX lets you white label a ready AI calling system, your own logo, your own brand, and on your own domain. So no tech background, nothing in that term. So you're just going to be setting up your own AI calling agency with one click with all of your assets related to you. So features like unlimited AI agents, 24/7 appointment setting, call transcriptions, noise reduction for on-phone calls, and also one-click training for your AI agent so you can make it speak as your own sales team. And just keep that in mind that it's going to be like included with plug-and-play funnels, tested ads, and also the school community for proven results. That means your focus is going to be purely on getting clients, positioning offers, scaling your margins, and basically doing the whole marketing on you and without having any tech background. So you don't have to be a tech savvy or anything like that. And last but not least, the section 7, I have also mentioned the key takeaways of basically leveraging voice AI into your business. So basically, the voice AI industry is exploding in 2025, and we're still actually it's still early on. So businesses are actively seeking cost-effective automations. I've seen a lot of local businesses which are looking for some cost-effective solutions to actually reduce their churn rate, reduce their missed leads, and anything like that. You can also start with zero tech background using white label tools like CloserX.ai. Even one paying client can cover your entire subscription cost. The rest is going to be profit. So basically, you just have to do all your input on your marketing, and as soon as you get your first client, you could pay their whole subscription on your first purchase on the software. So agencies are also scaling from 0 to 30K per month or even higher using automated AI agents. And also that's about the whole 7 sections that I told you about in this video. So in the next video, I'm gonna also show you the opportunities and how to turn it into real agency setup from your domain and branding to niche selection, email setup, and contracts, so you're ready to close them with confidence. So that's about this video, guys. Thanks for watching this video. And also, as always, this was Ash here from CloserX, and see you in the next one. Peace out for now.